Hey guys, welcome back to Crown Geek. This is Shahbaz. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix search bar not working or typing both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you have trouble with Windows search and if you're not able to type something in the Windows search, just try these three simple solutions and you will be find that your problem will be fixed. So let's get started. Number one, you have to just restart your File Explorer. So you need to bring up your task manager. On Windows 10 you will find the Windows icon on the left hand corner, and on Windows 11 you will find in the middle. Make a right click on it and then choose Task Manager. Now here you need to look for Windows Explorer. Okay, this yellow folder. In case if you don't find in the app section, then you can look in the background processes as well. And even if you don't find this anywhere, then open any Windows folder and then you will find it here. So now make a right click on it and then click on Restart. So the Windows will be now refreshed. So go back and check if the problem has been fixed. And still if you have the trouble, let's go with the next solution. So close everything. On Windows PC, just type Windows and R key to bring up the run box. And here type services.msc. Then click on OK. And the services box will be coming up showing all kind of services running or stopped on your Windows PC. Now click anywhere and then type the T key, T as in Tango or Tamil Nadu. And here you will find touch, keyboard and handwriting panel service. Make a double click on it. And then you need to click on recovery. And in the subsequent failures, it says take no action. So you need to click on restart the service. And this reset fail counter after, you just need to make it to 0. Once done, again go back to the general tab. And in the startup type, from manual, choose automatic. Then click on apply. And then on OK. Once done, again make a right click on it and then choose refresh. So once it's been done, you also need to just make some changes with Windows search. You have to restart it. So just stay here and now click anywhere again and then press the W key. And then you need to look for Windows search. So you can keep scrolling down. Like this, here you can find Windows search. Just make a right click on it and then click on restart. So the services will be restarted. So these are the major issues because of which you have this kind of trouble. Now after applying all these methods, still if your problem is not fixed, then I would recommend that try restarting your computer. And I'm very sure that after restarting your problem will be fixed. So check back, and if this worked for you, then please make sure you just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.